morning, guys. So it's currently around 7 o'clock. I just got up. I'm about to go downstairs, make a quick breakfast. I am going to show you what I have packed for lunch today, and I'm basically just going to be going to work today. So it's my official first like real work week. I have a few things on my to-do list that I know I'm going to be doing today, but I'm sure I'll end up doing a couple other things as well. So I'm working today from like 8:30 to 4 o'clock. My under eye bags are really intense today. I didn't get much sleep over the weekend, unfortunately, so I'm a little tired. I think I'm gonna make some green tea or something, just as like a very light caffeination. But yeah, really excited for work today. I'm gonna go downstairs, make breakfast, and I'll see y'all there. So my lunch today, I have some potatoes, kale with chickpeas, and then I have a piece of shrimp and then a couple slices of steak. Not that much, just because I honestly don't eat meat that much at lunchtime. I always just eat like the sides. So that is my lunch of the day. It's some leftovers from Mother's Day dinner that was yesterday, so very good. Hi guys, so I just made it to the office. I have some weird sunlight on my shirt right now, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys, I guess, after work. I did want to just kind of give like a little mini life update, just like what's going on, and just kind of talk to you guys, just because I haven't done that in a while, and there's just like a lot on my mind, and I just want to talk to you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go into work, and then I will see you guys after. Hi guys, so again, I'm really sweaty. I think it's just because it's like really hot. It's like 93 degrees today, so my face is very shiny, so please just ignore that. Anyway, I just got off of work. It's like 4 o'clock, so I wanted to just talk to you guys. Like I said this morning, I'm in a lot better mood than I was this morning. I had a really good day of work. I'm going through like training right now, so I'm going through these like certification courses, and I'm learning so much, like really just so much, on this like one platform. I have like a bunch of lessons to go through, and it's gonna take around like 3 days or so, because I have to take exams and pass those. I just made it back from work. I was planning on filming my life update while I was there, but I decided to just film it after I drove home. So I don't want to make this like a dramatic thing. I just wanted to update you guys. I had a pretty tough weekend. Just to kind of give you guys like some context, I am studying abroad in the fall, as you guys know, most of you know, for 4 months, and Gavin is studying abroad in Belize right now, and he's there for like 3 weeks. I was really excited that he was coming back, because we are both going to be in Atlanta this summer. Like a couple nights ago, he called me and he told me that he got accepted into this internship, and it is like such an amazing opportunity. It is so perfect for him, and it is like, I'm so proud of him, because it's such a cool thing for him to do. And I don't really think it registered on that phone call. I think it registered like the second day, which was yesterday, that I am pretty much gonna be like not able to see him for more than a couple days at a time, until like literally like January of 2019, or like Christmas time, I guess. So the internship is like literally across the country. The internship starts the week after he gets back from Belize, and it ends the week before he goes to school. So we're essentially gonna be like doing this whole long distance thing for like the next 6 months, which really sucks. And there's someone staring at me. So we weren't really expecting to be apart until like the end of summer, and we made like a whole summer bucket list and everything, which is like stupid now, but it's just like sad. And I don't want you guys to think that I'm like being like selfish or anything. Like I genuinely want him to go. Like I'm not keeping him. It's really hard. Not just because like he's my boyfriend and like, you know, we're not gonna see each other, but like he's literally my best friend, and you guys can tell this like from the videos. Like we hang out a lot and we like do fun things together. I hate crying. I've never done long distance before, and obviously it's just like a challenge. I'd really appreciate it if anybody who is like been in a long distance relationship or has any advice, just to like leave that down below. That was a little update. I'm sorry for like literally crying. I know that it's gonna be fine. I know that we're gonna get stronger and that like we can handle it. I think it's just the fact that like I'm you know, not gonna be able to hang out with my best friend. I hope this made sense. Sorry for being long and rambly. I just wanted to kind of talk about what's on my heart right now. So I don't even know if this made sense, but I'm just gonna go inside now. Hi guys, so it is the next day. I am so sorry for not finishing off the vlog last night. I honestly just got home and I was pretty tired. I had a lot of YouTube work that I was doing, so I was just like sending in videos and editing and doing a lot of like emails and things like that, which is very exciting to vlog. So I just decided I would take the vlog over to today because I don't have work today. It's Tuesday. I am going to brunch right now with my friend Becca, who I haven't seen in so long, so I'm so excited to see her. And then after that, I'm being reunited with Celine and Diana. You guys know Celine, and you probably know Diana if you've been watching my vlogs for a long time. Really excited, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. It's really simple. So I'm just wearing this bodysuit from Princess Polly with this denim. I wore this in a previous vlog. It's just like a really simple outfit. And I think this skirt is really cute. It's the one that, it shrunk a little bit in the wash. It used to be really big on me, but I shrunk it a little bit in the wash. So yeah, really good, simple outfit for the day. It's a little bit cloudy today. I'm hoping it will get a little bit sunnier. We're at First Watch. I'm here with Beck. Oh, I'm so happy we're reunited.
Me too.
We've been friends since the sixth grade?
Yeah.
Sixth or seventh grade, yeah.
This is so modern. I'm just like filming a clip before someone sues me.
I got a turkey burger with some greens. And what did Becca get?
Avocado toast and egg.
Yummy.
So yum.
It was really great catching up with Becca, and we're just, you know, great friends.
Good old pals.
I know.
Always having deep talks.
I know, we always have deep talks every time we hang out, which I love because that's like the best part, I feel like. But anyway, talk to you guys later. Just wanted to say bye to Bex. Bye! So as you guys can very clearly see, I have not touched my desk in probably like a year or so. And this is not matching the rest of my room. I honestly organized my closet pretty well, and this is just a disaster. So I think what I'm gonna do is just go through it, get rid of stuff that I don't need, and then just kind of like reorganize the space. Alright, so this is the updated organization. So this drawer is kind of just like my memory kind of type drawer because it's kind of by the computer. I don't like to open the drawer while working at the computer. So I have some little packets with some photos and a couple cards. I just saved the ones that were most meaningful to me. And then I have my diploma and some of my Alabama acceptance. Not too much stuff, just kind of the stuff again that I wanted to keep. Then I just have 2 notebooks and just a bunch of Polaroids. I have like a really big stack of them. Some other kind of just like memorabilia stuff, but not too much. I really just wanted to save the stuff that I'm either going to use in the future or I'm going to display or just I want for the memory's sake. And this drawer is going to be my actual kind of like desk drawer. So I have paper and then I have a notepad down there. And then I have my little, padfolio. And then right here, I just have a big stack of colorful little like note cards. And then a couple of these little like book sticker things, some tape, some pencil lead. Not that I even have a pencil that uses this at the moment, but I didn't want to waste it. And then I'm going to get, I think, like a really cute little like pencil desk organization holder so that I could put my pencils in there. And then, yeah, so I just wanted to have a really nice desk space for this summer just because I am going to be doing online school, as I said. So I feel good about this, and I'm glad I got this off my to-do list. So I did change my outfit again for the night. So I'm actually wearing this skirt. If you guys watched my college vlog on this, you know I got this from Plato's Closet, but it's originally from Free People, and I think it's really cute. Back in action! We're going to this really nice like outdoor mall that is like very cute. I'm glad it got sunny though because it was all rainy earlier, so. Oh, I know. Yeah, very excited. just finished shopping. We took some pictures. I'll insert them here. We're waiting for Diana, and then we're gonna go to Cafe Antico, which is a pizza place. And that will be our dinner tonight. And they're kindly getting white pizza because I can't have tomato pizza. So, love my friends. We're in this bathroom at this hotel and it is like so fancy. We literally just, I'm sorry, it's so cute.
You wait. All you have to do is wait for Dana, come on! I can't do that. Ow.
Hi guys, so I literally just got back from hanging out with my friends. It was so much fun. I literally have so much fun with them, and we planned a little like girls' night next week. So we'll be doing some fun stuff, so I'm really excited to see them again. And also we planned to do hopefully a pool day at some point as well. But right now I just got home, as I said. I'm gonna change into workout clothes, take off my makeup, and then I'm gonna do a good workout because I have been working out pretty consistently lately, and I really just want to work out as much as possible this summer, and I've really been seeing results. Like, I'm still sore from the last workout that I did, so I'm gonna work out and then I'm going to shower, and then I'm going to relax for like probably an hour, and then I'm gonna go to bed so I can get up early for work tomorrow. So that is a plan, and let's go. So this is the little workout outfit I'm wearing for the night. I'm wearing the new leggings that I just recently picked up. These leggings are so cute, and they fit like perfectly, so I love these. And then I'm just wearing it with my favorite Angel Max bra from Victoria's Secret. So yeah.